Hey there folks, Chuck here. This is part of a special little series of videos that I'm doing to help raise awareness for the Diecast Day of Giving. It's coming up on October 12th of 2024. We're raising 24,000 cars in 2024 for kids in need. You can learn more about doing that at drivendreams.org. Now, I've got a couple of these unboxing videos that I'm doing. I buy these mystery boxes and I pick out a couple that I like, and the rest of them all go to be donated as part of the Diecast Day of Giving. So if you like this video, please share it around to help raise awareness for drivendreams.org and the Diecast Day of Giving, again, coming October 12th of this year. So hope you enjoy this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of it. And of course, click around and check out some of our other videos. We got a lot of other cool Diecast stuff on the channel for you. All right, on with the show. Well, hey there folks, Chuck here, and I got an interesting box today. It is a treasure hunt mystery box where I got 20 packaged treasure hunts for $2 each. And I got this from my favorite local vintage toy store, Vintage Toy King in Ocala, Florida, off Silver Springs Road. Go check them out, tell them I said hi. Very cool toy shop, and they sell these mystery boxes, and this is the first time I've seen one specifically labeled treasure hunt. So thought we'd go through these together and see what kind of treasure hunts I find. I've never gotten a box of all treasure hunts before, so I'm assuming they're all going to be just regular treasure hunts, but there might be a super in here. You never know. So I'm going to try and take a look, and we'll see what we find right out of the gate. Yeah, Treasure Hunt 2012. Oh, 52 Chevy. That's cool. It's got kind of a, not quite a Spectre Flame paint on it, but that's really nice. All right, so we got that one. Let's see what we got next. We got the Mountain Mauler. Got a Jeep looking thing. It's got the little thing in the back here. Wow, it says this treasure car is hard to find and highly collectible. Collect all 15. I've got the little treasure hunt flame on that one. Did this one have a treasure hunt flame on it? No, it's got the little TH in there. So kind of an older treasure hunt. So let's see what we got. Will it be a super? Nope. We got the Rescue Duty treasure hunt. Let me know in the comments if you know where this one's from. That's weird. It's got like a little cut taken out of it here. That's interesting. All right. What else we got? We got the Treasure Hunt 2012 Ducati 1098. That's interesting. This one also doesn't have the flame on it, so I guess that was back before the treasure hunt flame was a thing. What else we got? Custom Ford Bronco. That's cool, and it's got my favorite color scheme on it, the red, orange, yellow. Got the little flame right there. That's nice. What else we got? Let's see. I'm trying not to peek in here. Got the Dune Crusher. Another regular treasure hunt there. Best for track. I have a feeling it's going to be a lot of the more fantasy cars in here. Because, why would you give away the good stuff for $2 each? But we'll see. Oh, that's cool. The Super Smooth. I actually don't have this casting at all. And that has real riders. Look at that. That's cool. So that's like a real deal treasure hunt there. That is neat. Neat stuff. This one didn't have, nope, that one didn't have real riders. Look at that. Oh, that one's very nice. All right, let's see what we got any more that have real riders on them. Oh, we got the Carbonator. That one's fairly recent. So, still fun. What else we got? We got the Fangster here. Is that a treasure hunt? I don't even think that's a treasure hunt. Is it? Oh, no, it is. It's got the little... It's back there. It's hiding. But it is there. Where's the TH? That's interesting. Oh, there it is. There it is. A little sneaky one. Snuck right up on me there. Alright. We got the Rogue Hog. That treasure hunt logo is easy to find. Okay. What else we got? The Rip Rod. So that one's fairly recent. Another very easy flame to find there. What else we got? Oh, we got the Grease Rod from the Team Hot Wheels Build the Epic Race show. I guess that was a show. It's Hot Wheels Screen Time. Oh, kind of a unique fantasy looking car there. There's the treasure hunt logo on the back. Alright. Let's see, we got the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. That's a cool casting. Police logo has the treasure hunt logo on it. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, we got the Mad Props one. Those treasure hunt logos are very easy to find. Guess they couldn't sell it for $5, huh? Well, still a nice find for 2. Let's see what else we got. Try not to bend the cards too much here. Nightburner. There it is. Little treasure hunt logo down there. It's got a very Dodge truck front to it. Alright. What else we got? We got the Jet Threat 4.0. There's a little treasure hunt logo. It's a very interesting casting. Looks like the wings fold down on it. That's cool. And Maximum Leeway. Oh, that's a cool casting. Kind of a dirt track racing thing. Treasure hunt logo there. Very nice. That's actually a really nice casting. I don't know if I have that one or not. What else we got? We got La Fasta. Treasure hunt logo down there. It's definitely a De Tomaso Pantera inspired vehicle. That's very cool. Let's see, what else? Cloak and Dagger. This is the one that it comes apart. The top comes off of it. You get your little treasure hunt logo right in there. Very fun. I think there's only one left. What do we got? The Speed Box. Oh, that's fun. Little tiny. There he is. Guy in there. Wow. Alrighty. Well, that is 20 treasure hunts. Let me know in the comments what you think, if this was a good find or not. I think it was fun. That one alone is very, very cool. I was not familiar with that casting, so that is a very fun. This one's very cool too. I think these two are going to be the big winners for me. And the Unimog's neat too. I like that one a lot. You know, a lot of fantasies, but that's what the thing is. Oh yeah, that one was really nice too. That's a very nice one. I'm definitely keeping that one because I do love a red, orange, yellow color scheme. But you know, again, thank you for joining me for another mystery unboxing. Shout out to our patrons that make the show go. If you want to join their ranks, you can visit diecastmedianetwork.com or click the join button down below. Check out our other videos. We've got plenty of stuff to talk about. Diecast Breakdown, our podcast, and some custom builds and reviews from David and shorts from Mark and community posts from Phia. Lots of cool stuff to enjoy. So hit subscribe, hit like, and if you like what we're doing a lot, give it a share. That really helps a lot. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.